In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're setting things up for the first time or just updating your brand's look, having your logo in place is crucial for creating a professional and cohesive appearance. Let's dive right in and make your invoices truly represent your brand. To begin with, the first step is to navigate to your organization profile. Start by signing in to your Zoho Invoice account, which should bring you straight into your dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the gear icon, which is your gateway into settings. Click on this icon to access a range of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Organization Profile. This section is essentially the nerve center where you can manage various organizational details, including your logo. Now, it's time to upload your logo. Within the organization profile, look for the option that says Upload your logo. Depending on updates and interface changes, it might also appear as Upload your organization logo. But don't worry, they both lead you to the same place. Click on that. A window will pop up that allows you to browse and select an image file from your device. When choosing your image, ensure that it aligns not only with your brand identity, but also with the technical requirements set by Zoho Invoice. Speaking of which, let's cover those important logo requirements to make sure the upload goes smoothly. First off, the file size should be under 1 megabyte. This is crucial because if your file exceeds this limit, the system won't accept it, and that can be frustrating. Additionally, the maximum resolution for your image should be 240 pixels by 240 pixels. This ensures that your logo looks crisp and clear within the confines of the invoice template. Once you've selected the appropriate file, click Save to apply your changes. Make sure to confirm that your new logo displays correctly. It should now appear where your previous logo was, or if you didn't have one set before, this will be its new home. If you encounter any issues, double-check the file size and resolution to ensure compliance with the requirements. Updating your logo is a simple and effective way to keep your brand up to date and presentable across all your invoicing communications. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your logo to Zoho Invoice, aligning your invoices with your professional brand identity. Remember, keeping your business visuals consistent helps reinforce brand recognition every time a client receives an invoice from you. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a wonderful day.